What up? Alright, so I just watched Mission Impossible 3. This one is by far the most grounded film in the series. Directed by J.J. Abrams, who is very hot at the time of this in 2006 because of his show Alias. And you can definitely see his work of Alias transfer over to this movie. I love the opening in this movie. It starts off with Philip Seymour Hoffman, and it is very stressful. They put the climax of the film at the beginning. And it works because it hooked me in. It made me more interested to see how we were going to get to that point. And then it turns to one of the happiest openings of the franchise. Ethan is no longer in the field. He has become an agent instructor. And he's got some arm candy. He's engaged. I like the sequence of them trying to infiltrate the Vatican. And Philip Seymour Hoffman is just such a great villain. He's very intimidating. And I believe every word that he says because his portrayal is just so threatening. The scene of the extraction of the rabbit's foot is also really good. It takes place in Japan, and it's another hanging scene that we see in the other films, but a little bit more of a realistic take, which is nice. But yeah, this one kind of reminds me of Batman Begins in a way. It wasn't the most epic entry in the franchise, especially coming off the campiness of Mission Impossible 2. In a lot of movies at that time, we were starting to get a more realistic take anyway. Batman, 007. But yeah, this was a cool film. It wasn't my favorite one in the franchise, but I understood why they took the direction that they did.